Hey, what's up, guys? Back here on another video. Sorry I haven't been up here lately. It's been super hot and I've been super busy. Very busy, actually. I'm here to say that I have another video coming up soon. I'm just waiting for my order to come in and ready to unbox something for y'all. It's going to be on September 14th when we see the box. So hopefully this hurricane coming, I hope it doesn't stop my package from coming. But I'm hoping it'll be in before this hurricane. So yeah, I hope y'all are safe and everything from this hurricane season coming up, which we're already in. Be safe. Always wash your hands. And be safe during this COVID. This quarantine's got me going a little off the chain because I'm stuck in the house every day. Sometimes I actually go outside, but I wear a mask. I go out there to the elementary school sometimes and I walk to get my mind off of stress, and it's not too far away from home. But I'll see y'all in the video next time. Tomorrow morning, tomorrow night, tomorrow afternoon. Stupid mosquito. But I'll see y'all in the video. See y'all later. Bye. Peace.